Hi there, welcome to Flaming Rooster Barbecue, and today we're going to do chicken wings. Chicken wings is something that sounds so simple and can be so simple, but it can also be so difficult to perfect, and there's so many different ways to do wings. There's fried wings, there's smoked wings, there's just grilled wings, there's baked wings, and it's really a preference on flavor. But the way we do it is obviously not going to be fried because we're going to be doing this the right way, but there's a method to it that you might not have heard of. But regardless of how you like your wings, if it's buffalo wings, if it's dry rub wings, you can get creative. It really depends on the occasion, what you're serving it with, on what you want the finish to be. But the method is really what you should focus on this video. And once you get this method down, you can add whatever you want and you can get really creative with it. So let's start with the brining of it first. If you don't have time to brine, not the end of the world, but I highly recommend it for any chicken, especially wings or chicken breast. Brining is going to add a lot more moisture and flavor to that lean meat of chicken.